Here's how to order Costco pizza online. There are two different ways you can do this. The first option is to visit the Costco website. For that, open up any web browser and go to Costco.com. Log into your account. Now tap on the search bar and here search pizza. You will find a variety of frozen pizza options that you can purchase online. Go ahead and tap on the one that you want to purchase. Now tap on the add option to add it to your cart. Now you want to view your cart, then tap on the checkout option and follow the on-screen prompts to complete your payment in order to place the order. However, if you're looking for Costco's food court pizza, then the process is different. At most locations, you can't order it online like you would with a food delivery app. Instead, you'll need to call your nearest Costco warehouse. Find your local Costco phone number, give them a call and place your pizza order, then pick it up when it's ready. This is the closest option to ordering ahead. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.